What's up, guys? Trust you're good. So today I'll be unboxing the sneakers I got from Dykman.com. So it's actually from Bench. My anxiety level is like up here. I need to see what it actually looks like in reality. So let's check it out. Okay, I see you. I'm getting some kind of vibe here. Yeah, it looks exactly the way it was online. Yeah, and I love that. It's freaking dope. It's so pretty. Yeah, okay. Let me see the second leg. How does it look? Boy, go girl. I'll Bench. I'm gonna give this to you. This is a well job. This is a good job done. As in, oh my god, can you see that? Even the fabric is amazing. The fabric is a woven fabric. It looks really rich and expensive. Like, oh my god, how much did I actually pay for this? I paid 118 lira for this pair of sneakers, and it was actually on sale, and it worth all the lira. Oh my god, this is nice. Even the sole is branded. Like, you can see Bench written on it, so when you're walking on the floor and step on it. I love the woven fabric. I love the details. I love everything about it, and it's very, very comfortable. And it looks really, really fancy and also comfortable, and it's also stylish and versatile. So it depends on how you style it. You can wear it on any pair of clothing, as in you can wear it on anything. So if you see me on the street, I like your girl. When I'm rocking my sneakers, I like your girl. Oh yeah, I like your girl. What about you, girl? I like your girl. Guys, please ignore that. I'm just restless. That's it. So guys, check out our previous post, how to downsize a t-shirt, DIY t-shirt tutorial, DIY reversible bucket art tutorial, and a host of others. And guys, thank you so much for watching. If you are new to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please click on the subscribe button. We'd love to have you as part of our DIY family. And if you're already a subscriber, I got mad love for you. It's always positive vibe around here.